Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lighthearted video, just things I've been getting in PR and also a giveaway for you guys. So if you're excited for any of those things, I would love it if you would consider subscribing by the end of this video. Please hit the like button, it really does help me out. I'm so super excited to show you what I got in PR as well as what you guys will win. Stay tuned for the details of the giveaway and let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to mention I got in PR is from Dossier. They focus on replicating luxury scents. So for example, I have the shade Woody Sandalwood, and this is actually a dupe for the Jo Malone, and this smells really, really good. The top notes are violet leaves, cardamom, middle notes are orris, ambrox, cedarwood, and cypriol, and the base notes are musk, sandalwood, and amber. I wear this every single day. It comes with a little travel size perfume. So you spray this, you don't open up the new one, the big one. You spray this, you see if you like the scent, and if you don't, you return the entire thing and you get your full money's worth back. So every perfume on their site is $29, and I'm very, very happy with this service. I really, really love this perfume. I wear it every single day and I always get compliments on it. Next product I got in PR is the Ouai Go From Dry to Fly. This is the fine to medium hair treatment mask. This is awesome for the shower. All I do is leave it in my hair. I put up in a hair tie, do my thing in the shower, and it leaves my hair super silky, smooth. It's a very thick consistency, smells really, really amazing, and I really, really love it. Next up, I also got the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation from Influenster, and it looks like this, and it's really, really beautiful. And it comes also with a little powder puff I haven't used. But if you guys want me to do a review on this, let me know and I definitely will do that for you. But awesome that I got this from Influencer. I really, really, I like it, but I don't think that it builds to even a medium coverage, just to let you know. Next up from Paula's Choice, I got the Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, formulated for all skin types. It unclogs and shrinks in large pores. I can attest to that. This is one of my very favorite products ever. And it smooths an even skin tone, lightweight liquid, absorbs quickly, and it adds a glow to the skin. So I'm really loving this. And I apply this morning and night. I love this so, so much. And I just love that. So the next thing I got is the Skin Perfecting 25% AHA plus 2% BHA Exfoliant Peel. It's a rinse off treatment. Now I've only tried this once or twice, but I really, really do love this. And I've noticed a difference in my skin using this. Next up from My Skin, I got the Ultra Restore Intense Hydration and Renewal Dry Oil. Contains antioxidants and omega fatty acids. As you can see, I've used a ton of this. This is amazing for hydrating dry skin. I use it every single day. I love it. I use it in the morning and I use it at night. My Skin is amazing. You guys have to check it out. Next up from BK Beauty, I got their 106 brush. This is perfect for buffing out cream products, cream blushes, anything like that. And I'm so excited to have this brush. BK Beauty is all about kindness. They are so generous with me. I love them. They also gave me their sponge, which I absolutely love. They also gave me their 108 brush, which I would assume is perfect for setting under the eye and maybe contouring. These are multifunctional brushes, so you can use them for just whatever. I have their 105 brush, which I use every single day for powder foundation. I just use it like this, and it's beautiful. These are magnificent brushes. They are synthetic brushes. They're very high quality and I highly recommend them. Next up, I got their 104 brush, which I use particularly for blush. I love it for blush, but you can use this for powder all over the face. And it's just multifunctional. Like I said, again, their brushes are awesome. They don't shed, they last forever, and washing is a breeze. And then I got all of these brushes from them, which is so generous and kind. So I have the 107 brush, which I use for bronzer. It's a flatter brush, but I use it for bronzer. And I saw Emily Noel using this, so I requested it and they sent it right away. They send same day and it comes within a couple of days. I got the 203 brush, which looks like this. I also got the 202 brush, which is a nice crease brush. I got the 206 brush, which is another crease brush, really beautiful at blending shadows. And I got their 208 brush, which is just a liner brush, which is amazing for liner. Got their 207 brush, which is just a buffer brush I use underneath the eye, which is amazing. And I also use it on the outer corner. I have their 204 brush, which is just very, very small. I use this for really getting close to the lower lash line. And I don't know if I said this already, but I got the 206 brush and it's just a little bit flatter. And I use that for buffing into the crease. Next up from Alter Ego, I got their new brush set. I'm so excited for this. It looks like a lot of brushes. So an entire brush set from Alter Ego. I'm so excited to use these. I also received their new Canyon palette, which is going to be a dupe for the new bronze palette from Natasha Denona. And also their new Blooms palette, which is the dupe for the Love palette from Natasha Denona. Let me know if you guys want to see videos on this. I'm going to be doing them anyway. I'm so excited and thankful to Alter Ego. They are really high quality. They are made in the USA and they're cruelty free. They're vegan. I love them so, so much. So thank you, Alter Ego. Thank you to all these brands for sending these items to me. I really, really appreciate it. I also just quickly wanted to mention I do have a code with Dossier. It's Ashley10 for 10% off if you want to use it. It does help my channel. And I also have a code for Alter Ego. It's Ashley10 as well. Let's get into the giveaway products for you guys. I have the Dare May Select. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. The ColourPop Chick Falsies. They look like this. The Morphe R5 brush, which I would assume could be like a contour, an under eye setting brush for you. I also have this Dragon Duo. This is a lip product. It is an eyeliner actually, so I have this for you guys. I have the Raw Beauty Kristi At For Sight palette for you guys. I picked up another one of these. It's been a while, but don't think they are making them anymore, so I have one of these for you guys. I have a Turby Twist microfiber hair towel. Can never get enough of these. These are awesome. I have the Ciate London. This is the highlighter with Jessica Rabbit. This is amazing. I've always wanted to use this, but I never got around to it, so I'm putting it in the giveaway for you guys. I have the Laura Geller Glow For It Trio. This is a highlighter trio. I think you guys would love this. I have a Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser for you guys. I love Peach and Lily. This has camellia and chamomile with 100 mils. I have the Jessica Black. This is the color corrector for the eye area. I haven't tried it, but I think it's going to be really good. I have the Kosas 10 Second Eyeshadow in the shade Element. I have the Becca Velvet. This is the Velvet Blurring Primer in Apricot Haze. The Lancome Juicy Tubes in a mini size. The Too Faced Lip Injection in a mini size. The Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, one of my favorites. The Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is a bronzer, blush, and highlighter trio. The Milani Eyeshadow Duo in Life Partner. The COMMEBT. This is for Spa Day. You can apply masks with this. The Milani Blush in Dolce Pink. The BH Cosmetics La Vie du Prince palette. This is a very colorful palette. The Concrete Minerals Eye Primer. The Wen Last Choice Face Mask. The Touch in Soul Metalist Eyeshadow Sparkling Eye Pigment in Mulberry. Looks like this, really, really beautiful. The Touch in Soul Glass Primer. The e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in Just Peachy. The Viseart palette in the Neutral Mattes. The Beauty Creations Cali Glow. This is a highlighter, I believe, in Los Angeles, California, cruelty free. A Fuera concealer, and this is in the shade 103 Beige. The Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting sheets. The Skin Medica Instant Eye patches. The Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel. The Illamasqua Rehydrating Gel. A mini Stay Naked concealer, and this is in the shade 20 CP. The Jessie's Girl liquid liner. This was a birthday gift, but it's a NARS Orgasm blush and also a stick for the lips and the Milk Kush lip balm, finally. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.